welcome back. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my fills with my IBD hard gel. Basically what I'm doing now is I'm filing off all of my old nail polish with my filer. I want to make sure that I have a smooth surface for me to do my fill, and I want to make sure that I get all the nail polish off. After I'm done filing, I like to go in on my cuticles just to make sure that those are nice and smooth. After I'm done filing, I use the dehydrator. This is by the brand Beetles. Then after this, I use this protein bond, and this is really good for adherence of the actual gel that I'm going to be using. Here I'm using the LED UV bonder. This is what's going to keep your nails fresh for the next couple of weeks. So definitely don't skip this part. You're going to put this all over your nails, and then you're going to let it set for 60 seconds. Then you're going to start the process of using the hard gel on your nails. So I got this brush, and this is specifically for hard gel, and I just grab a little dollop of the gel. I put it towards my cuticle, and then I bring it all the way up until it reaches the tip of my nail. And I let that set. I also turn it over so I can build that apex and let it spread really nicely. Then what you're going to do is you're going to cure your nails. After curing, you're going to want to buff the surface. You want to take away that shine just so that your nail polish can adhere to the nail itself. And then you're going to file to whatever shape you like. I typically like either an almond or an almondletto. And this is how my nails look. I'm going to be using a base gel. This is by the brand DND. I absolutely love this base gel because I feel like it really works well. Then I'm going to be curing that. And then I'm using the brand Gayoi. This is such a pretty just base coat that you can use for your nails if you want to just do any simple design. Now this is where it's at. I was gifted this stamper by Maniology, and when I tell you this works like a charm if you want to do a French tip, like look at that. So easy. It would have took me way longer to get it done if I did it on my own. So I really appreciate how quick and easy it is to do. Here I am just cleaning up the sides a little bit. Now, the star of the show is this Gelish Blooming Gel. Now, if you're into the marble nails or the snake nails, this is perfect to do that design. Basically, what you do is you put a top layer of the gel. You take different colors that you want for your design and you spread that on your nail. And little by little, you'll see it spread and just create this really beautiful design on your nails. Just give it some time. Be patient and build on whatever design you like. So I'm using these 3 separate colors that I feel like work really well together. And they're also fall themed. So I thought they were really, really cute and pretty. And I'm just basically forming and creating whatever design I want to create on my nail. And then you're just going to give it time, like I said, to spread. One thing I like about this blooming gel is the amount of variety you can get in the designs that you like. If you want to do like little funky flowers, you can do that. If you want to do different, like I said, marble designs, you can do that. If you want to do like the snake texture, you can do that as well. You can just play with it. I also saw a video where you can actually do the aura effect, and I thought it was so beautiful. But these are how my nails look at the end, and I absolutely love them. Thank you, Maniology, for sending me the stamper as well. It really did its job, and thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.